You searched how to buy shares of Digital Turbine Inc., ticker APPS, listed on NASDAQ. Digital Turbine builds mobile app distribution and advertising software for publishers and carriers. This video is educational only and not financial advice. Always do your own research. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to show the process. After you register, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and you will also need to add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker APPS to find Digital Turbine. Check the search results carefully to make sure you select the correct company listing. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for APPS. Review the description and market listing to confirm this is the stock you want to buy. Click Invest to enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order will execute when trading reopens, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade fills. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same steps shown here.